go. Dang, I didn't clock into work. Fuck. Oh, excuse my language. Hey, that's the first thing they're gonna hear on the live. We do what we do here, though. Get rid of it. Trying to get rid of the host this year. Okay. Even the S&P is pushing. Nasdaq must be the sixth system. Wait for the next hourly candle to start. Funny how once you trade long enough, you can tell when like ain't really. Yeah, it's gonna be on some BS. That's why I was even impressed to be on the charts. Yeah, I like to see another. I personally see another dime for lower. Walk this dog. I have a lot on my chart in one place. That just shows it's gonna be. Yeah, like I don't know if it's just me, but I have a lot on my chart. Mhm. The idiot by all means. There's no like also look at the economic calendar, literally no news. So like that's turtle soup gonna hit. Yeah, yeah. I feel like the market's still. I'm still trying. First, I'm still trying to figure. I mean, I know what I want to do if it gets. You know what I'm saying, like there's so much going on with this market. Make sure you're precise about entries today. S&T. I want to participate in it. Yeah, honestly, if it comes back down, like I would like for it to come back to come to New Week opening gap high 70-ish. That would be, and if it rejects there, cool. All this right here, please. Nothing to execute on. My computer freeze or something? Am I tripping? My computer froze. Yo, can you hear me? No, my computer literally froze. Like time is not on. Like Wi-Fi go in and out or something. I'm telling you, like on my side it's frozen. No, disconnect to reconnect. Do I close trading view and close it back? Oh, I'm curious. Like, what the heck? Yeah, I'm probably locked. I'm streaming my screen, but like trade view itself, there's no numbers. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna close out all windows. Oh, here. Further confirmation is nothing due. Trading view starts acting up. I know. Imagine I was in the trade. Well, I have another computer, but imagine. I was looking at this book, and someone literally got in the trade, but their keyboard froze, bro. They couldn't put a stop loss. They were cooked. Their position got cooked. But they didn't react to it in such an aggressive way because they adopted a mindset of like that's part of the trade. You will have technology mess up on you, things of that nature. It's for sure. I think it's happened to everyone at this point. Well, this is slow. I'm gonna walk my dog. Yeah, but I see it's about to drop low. Real quick. Fuck this dog. Oh shit! All right, we're back. So I missed a little entry here, but not really. We're in there. Cool. This is exactly what I want to see. Okay, we're in. I wish I got at the bottom, but see if I'm even right. Got that pullback. All right, guys, so we're back here. Price dropped into an area I was expecting to drop into. Gave us a nice turtle soup. What it do? What it do, baby? All right. Hold on, we are in this trade, by the way. Let's see where we are with it. Contract. Let's just make it 10. Stop loss over here. And more vicious with the drop. Yeah, it looks like this is another SMT that I'm seeing. I'm not sure. Another SMT. I like this even more. S&P 500 is made lower low on the 1 minute chart. Nah, see if Nasdaq can hold now. I like that. We love that. Let's go Nasdaq. Those highs are too clean for him to leave them alone, in my opinion. What I was waiting for. See if it plays out. I think Nasdaq wants to lower. But it fell a little bit. I don't like how it fell short of hitting that new week opening gap. I wish it hit it to the T though. I don't like that. It's getting very close. Or maybe hit it to the T. I don't know. Getting very close. The 30 is dropping like it's hot. The new day opening gap is 22,839. See that? It was like also this 1 hour inverse. Fair value gap. That's why I'm like interested. Fine there. It's gonna stay bullish. It does not need to flip. The whole move is bullish. Again, we can order my. Get a 50-point run at least. Technology. Sales on the other account are still looking good. 40 points. Nasdaq might drop one more time. It looks aggressive. Here goes another push. It finally hit that new opening gap now. Question is to push away from here or 839 maybe it's draw. struggling with right now. I don't know what I need a new mouse or something. This is crazy, bro. Like I'm trying to just drag things and put them. Okay. Punching lower though. I ain't gonna front.
Told you 839.
839?
Yeah. 22, 839.
What is there that makes you say that?
Yesterday's new day opening day.
Mm.
Last night's new day. I think once we get there, we turn. Got turned definitely. The range is about 150 points. 980.
This is a new week opening gap high, so I want to see if that's gonna support. If not, then honestly, these sales can get nasty. They can really take out previous day's lows. If it really starts going, if it goes where you're saying 839, I can see previous day's lows getting snapped.
Yeah. They can definitely refer that.
Yeah, I'm in some.
Yeah, I've been pop sale.
I hopped in buy, so
Oh, girl, stimulated, bro.
I'm on live right now on the YouTube, watching these markets play out smoothly. I'm really watching, bro. It's rejecting the week opening gap high though, so let's see if this holds. Mhm. 30 had a crazy.
I don't even look at the charts. I just have it on my watch list.
And the more I look at 30, I can see these sales though. I'm not even going. If this new opening gap high, then I can see these sales because I'm looking at 30 right now on the 1 hour chart. Those lows look attractive. It's also me just trying to catch a turtle soup. I haven't gotten any confirmation on the lower time frame. It's me anticipating lows. Play out here, but two. Give us some. I need to see a push. I like how I was rejecting though. I need to see a break of structure though. Gives us one more push lower than this trades. Well, I cannot. It's just too many equal lows, equal highs. I mean, above that I would think want to drive this. Remember, this is like PD rate that existed below min opening price. So
Yeah, for sure. I know exactly what you're talking about. It's definitely screwed right up.
suggestion so far is
I
good.
really wanted to trade lower for precise entry. I want to stop at swing low.
Looks like you might just get that the way the price is moving. Second, let's do another aggressive drop. Keep in mind, though, it's also hitting. I mean, there's a lot of levels it's hitting there. So if it's to go lower, it's gonna strike lower. In my opinion. Like, part of me, if I'm being real, like going into this week, I really want to see 22,580. That might be a pipe dream on a week from a weekly perspective. That's a weekly fair value. Yeah, for that, because that to me, I can see that happening. 22.5 from a weekly perspective. Now, that will mean it's gonna break this daily order block is in. I don't know if it's gonna break that C4. Structure's still there on the daily chart. And a week like this might not present that. Since there's not that much news. So we'll see though. Can break higher, I'll be happy. But so far I like the rejection we're seeing. Just need to see more momentum. That 5-minute C4 support. I've not looked at the dollar index in a while. But I feel like it's one of the things where it doesn't play a role, and then out of nowhere, then starts playing its role again. You know, like it'll have its moments where it's not playing its role, and out of nowhere, it'll kick back in and start playing its role. So it's also something to always keep an eye on, regardless. But I just have not. And maybe the second half of the year they start allowing this play its role. So far, I like this. When I need to see more momentum, though, I need to push. But the way I kind of look at this as well is like yesterday did the work I wanted it to do. Like it took out lows from Thursday, went into this fair value gap that we had at 10 o'clock on Wednesday. First ride at 22,780 level. So for me, it's done some damage on the sell side. I think buy side needs to get some. I'm getting damage on the buy side. I think sell side is getting how I think.
Yeah, it did just take out the sell side.
Exactly. And then also in a daily, if you look on a daily chart, that's a daily C4. Even on the 4-hour perspective, it's a 4-hour C4 down there. So once keep going lower, then again, even as much as I want to see 22,584, the more I look at it from a 4-hour perspective, 6 o'clock July 2nd on the far chart took out those equal lows. So I don't know. I think I like bullish prices here. 5-minute chart has equal highs up here. I'd like to see that get tagged. We're trading below midnight opening and not their opening. See if we get that. Especially given down like momentum has died down from sales, it seems like. That's why I came into today expecting. So see how that plays out. I just wish I was on my charts when it dropped. I was busy walking my dog. 15 points away from one. Still haven't broken 1-minute structure. S&P has some equal. Looks like it's created a nice, from a 1-minute perspective, short-term low. Swing high to the left, swing high to the right. It's in the 1-minute loop zone. Some highs right there can tackle, just needs to push now. That's what the dollar index is doing. That's one more drop lower. Life work stop at 22,860. I don't want to go to 850 personally. See what you're saying with the dollar though. The dollar is tearing it up. The dollar is tearing it up for real. Wow. I think another drop is coming. Looking at the way dollar looks, that is aggressive, bro. I ain't gonna front. dancing around too much. 30 looks aggressive. Yeah. I wonder what gold will be doing at this point. The boo boo coin. uh, that's funny. I was actually looking at Euro USD, and I was like, "Wow, it's been an easy melt." Because industry did not look nice, so I'm like, "What is Euro doing? What is Pound doing?" Because I'm not really pleased with indices like that. Let me just see what gold is. If gold is not dropping, gold is not dropping. Okay, it's dropping. It's dropping. Finally doing what it's supposed to do. Okay, go do this thing. Where's it does the thing once in a while though. Where's Euro? Oh my god. I mean Euro is everything is melting against the dollar right now. Euro's delivering prices. Like if you look at Euro right now, oh my gosh. Clean delivery. We want to look at Forex now?
Like it back to that.
uh,
Sorry,
it's pushing now because right now Nasdaq is just in the I feel like indices are in a funny place. All time highs. I'm gonna stick to it though. But just looking at how
stick to it though.
yeah. Looking at how like Euro traded so far, it's like it's moving. And look, now that dollar's actually getting some momentum. Gave a nice 15 pip stop loss to a pound did too. So, oh my gosh, now these market actually in this. I mean, for currencies look nice right now, bro. Currencies look nice, man. Interesting stuff. Dollar might be on its way to the highs. Maybe that's Nasdaq. I think Nasdaq's about to crash out again at this point. I think dollar's playing its role in the market now. Dollar is tearing it up. That's might be. Yeah, NFTs is still dropping. I think yeah. Yeah, I think dollar's playing its role. The mama of the market. Here goes another drop. Yeah, it's done.
Yeah. Might get the entry I'm looking
Still, it's close to my stop. It ain't knocking me out, but to me, it's not looking good.
for. Asia low, but that 18, close to 18. It opened at like
Just going to do one aggressive drop right here. Boom.
hey, I'll probably
He's trying to ready to pop it.
buy that.
He just took me out right now.
That's what liquidity on the 5 minute. Look right there, it looks left at around 7, 7:45, 8 o'clock.
5-minute chart. What time again?
At 7:20 and 8 o'clock.
Yeah, I see that. That's right. I knew the opening gap. Honestly, I'm not really at this point with the dollar doing what it's doing. I think yesterday's lows could get swept again, man.
Like you said, your psychologist said, like
I'm just gonna wait though. I'm waiting for lower time frame confirmation for me. Here might be the buy, like I said. It might just be the buy right here. And I'll just end a little early. Look at a 5-second chart, it looks good.
wicked, smack it, flip it, pop it, 30 points away. Hit, but I'm buying to hit. Like I said, my stop would be that swing low.
I think here looks like a good area to buy.
I wanted that. I wanted my entry at 30 points from that. They don't know. Right up
This looks like a good buy.
at 6 o'clock.
I think it's a good buy right here. But I'm not
So
gonna
it's
mess with
definitely
it.
good buy right here. But I definitely, I like extremely. That way, even if I do get stopped out, it's
But you know, this also knew the opening gap from yesterday, bro. Yeah, right. So it might not even. This might be it. Really, just probably waking me out. Test the waters one more time. I'm just gonna go with 5. Cool. I'm okay with this entry. Now, if this one doesn't play out, then I'll just wait until I have a lower time frame shifts. But I can see this. Reducing my risk. I went in with 10 contracts initially, took an L, so now we're 5 contracts. So following protocol here. It literally just smacked my stop loss. Just ticked it. Just to take me out. Who's watching me? Just literally ticked my stop loss. Like boom. And I don't think it gets that level you're talking about, bro.
dude. Oh,
What happened?
bro. I fucked up. Well, I don't want to say I fucked up, but I missed my entry. So on the 1 minute, that little tap, like, look at this shit, bro. Fuck. I should have dropped down to the 1 minute. I didn't drop down. I had no current time level.
I was on the 5-second chart. It started looking good. That's why I was like, I'm just looking 5-second chart on YouTube.
That was a perfect 1 minute. That brother.
I'm mad it tapped me out.
Oh my god. I didn't even damn. I should have dropped down. I forgot I even put that.
The 5-second chart looked good. That's why I was like, after hit. I'm just mad it tapped me out. Why did it tap me out the first time? Who's watching me? Who's watching No colossal trader right now. Literally tap me out. Let me see what you send to me.
Are you talking to me?
I thought you said you were gonna send me something on 1 minute.
Oh, yeah.
Literally tap me out for no reason. Going to the times now. Finally, we have a 1 minute structure. Now we have a 1 minute structure shift. Now, if this doesn't hold, then I'll just be done for the day. But
That's crazy. That.
I'm mad. I could put my stop loss just one tick. I should have put at 850. I bet you the low was literally 850.
840, 849.25.
I just put it one tick away, bro. I like these numbers as my stop, so I always just put it one just tick away. Man, if I put it at 849, I'd be solid. I see it. But where's the entry supposed to be though?
Literally that at the low.
The green arrow, yeah. You wanted 40 more points. That's why I was like, there's a new day opening gap below. Like price is hit. That's all I was like, I don't know. Of course.
Yeah, he's in buys. I missed my entry, so I didn't. And this is like a perfect reaction. Like this is.
But it hasn't.
No, we should retrace.
We might, but because keep in mind, it hasn't really given like any other time frame an entry. It hasn't given a 1 minute chart entry, 5 minute chart. Like there's just if you know type of trade. Like, so it could give a retracement into like 30-second structure.
So we have one, two. We have three value gaps. One that they open.
I might just get an entry right here on 30-second chart, 20,000, 22,900. Little dip. Might as well give it a little dip. I'm just mad. It knocked me out by like one tick. Why did it come to my stop loss like that and turn around? Man. Like, bruh. Right to the, just literally right there. Boom. Then I turned around right where my stop loss was. But whatever. We're in this one now though, so right in there. 50 points secure here. But it's gonna go to the vault at the high.
Yeah, we want those shit at the high.
I'm really mad about my stop though. I ain't gonna lie to you.
22.98.
I'm mad about my stop. I mean, I accepted the risk, but like, dang, I just maybe put it one tick from 850, maybe like 849. 849 would have been perfect. Put it right at 850. It's below me now open price. That's cool. At this point, I don't want to give y'all an entry, bro. I'm pissed. It literally ticked me out. Nah, I'm just messing with y'all, man. That was just annoying. But I'm lucky I'm following. Not lucky. I'm following protocols I should. So instead of getting with 10 contracts again, I got on with 5. Just the fact that one tick that was mad annoying. Now we'll see if Price wants to give a 50% retracement. I doubt it, but chart. I mean, if you're going 2 minute chart, it has a nice potential inverse loose zone that Price can trade into. If it wants to give y'all latecomers an entry. Oh goodness. Give y'all latecomers an entry. It has 2 minute looks good. You must looking at 30.
This is a big ass 5 minute candle. I need that bitch to come back and
He does not need to do anything but keep going. Now if it comes back, I'm popping another entry though. I had two more. Oh man, I'm just mad it ticked me out. Y'all seen that? Literally. Hey man, none of that. And nothing to be scared about. Is it below midnight? It's simple protocol. Is it below midnight open price? Yes. So for 30, this is still a nice entry. It's literally below midnight open price. Gives you a fair value gap right up at a previous level that accumulated that. Why would you be scared? Okay, but look at the highs. How many more points? Like I don't trade 30 though, but I'm just saying like it's all logic. It's an inverse volume imbalance. I'm not saying you should pop it. It's also a weekly low. If you look on a weekly chart, it's probably a weekly chart.
It's above it, so we're longing, fellas. I'm in with you, man.
See these latecomers, chat. These latecomers, late to the party. But I went early and took an L though. I got shot for y'all niggas, and then now y'all want to get in. This is one movie and stop loss. One tick. But I really should take. I could peel something off right now if I really want to. I already got my 50 points. But these highs look smooth. So we already captured our 50 points as we want to. But these highs, if it could now it could retrace back below midnight opening price and give another entry. What is this? Oh, nice. I hate gold. I hate gold. I really could be done. I'm just mad because I got ticked out, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, if I would have seen, if I would have seen on the first time, brother, we would.
All good. Mad about that though. I already am. But you know what it is? The issue was because I got in a little later than I wanted to. I was on the charts. So I had to put my stop loss in the area where it was. You know what I'm saying? If not, if I got in, let me just do the math. If I got in here at 870, I would have not mind doing 30-point stop, which would put me at 840. Whatever. Little things you gotta correct. Don't walk your dog when the market's. I should have been walked in. Yeah. Okay. Lost though. I lost the loss, but you know I know I keep on talking about because it's just one tick. Why you? Why? My stop loss is literally at 22,850, bro. The low is 22,849.25. Like that just feels like it's so like it was personal. Like it didn't want me to see me catch the lows on YouTube. But this is exactly what I was expecting for price. At this point, it really should go to the 4-hour highs. If depends on how much I want to hold this trade, but I can see this going to 22. Back to 23,000. And if it gets crazy, 2330. But the question is it gonna go all the way up there? Because catalyst. chart. You can come all the way down to 22.9.
Sure.
I don't think. So I look if he'll close out his whole trade and then get back in. But oh yeah, that's smart.
Not get the entry that I want.
Well, y'all got it late though. That's the thing. For me, it's kind of like I could do it, but it's pointless for me a little bit because
Waiting for that. You go ahead and give me an entry inside that inverse. Need it. Oh my god.
1 minute chart. See sweep. Mm. A 1 minute chart might just give an entry right here.
It might be an entry on 1 minute. Still in the first minute. TP. Oh my god. I'm in on 30.
Funny enough, 30 looks aggressive as hell.
It's looking aggressive.
I don't know how you do it, bro. Might be an entry on Nasdaq though.
Yeah, it might be right there.
That'll be that was a re-entry.
That was the fucking reentry, yeah. Alright. If it comes back down, then I'm popping it. That third candle comes back down. Oh, let me see what it does look like.
Come on, just give me. Come on, come on, come on. Let's see.
Okay. Come on.
I don't know, but I think it's gone from here, brother. I think it's really gone. I don't think it's yeah, bro.
Yeah.
I think it's uninterested in anything you're looking for. Nah, because this swept those 1 minute lows right at the inverse. So the inverse could hold it. But for it to drop 50%, that's above 50% though. To drop fib. Nice. But that fib is not necessarily. If that's the case, then it can come all the way down to 2.95. Fib or drop in 15 minutes. Oh my. Whatever. Either that fib holds or.
Oh my god.
Now here's some easy, brother. Easy, brother. Why you yell like that, man? It's easy. I just entered more on Nasdaq too. Did it even work?
Oh, give me that shit. That's what we wanted, bro.
That's Nasdaq, right? Below 50%. That's why I was like. Now the question is, does this hold or do we see another mic drop? But I think it's probably gonna hold because 30. Yeah, because 30 made a lower low now. Oh, by all means necessary, we should want to see Nasdaq higher here, ideally. If it doesn't play out, then going forward, I'm watching the dollar index aggressively. That will tell me. You know what? Because at this point, if it doesn't push here, then dollar index will be. Yeah.
Good numbers, man.
That's good numbers for sure, though. It's gonna go to the highs. It should go to the highs at least.
I don't know what happened, what liquidity just popped in, but shit is beautiful.
I see 30 stuff lows. You gotta get off that dirty 30, brother. I keep telling you, you gotta get off that dirty 30. It's not even worth your energy. I don't know why you don't listen, bro. Like, you gotta leave 30 alone, brother. You literally have to leave that thing alone, man. Like trade Nasdaq, like look at the price on Nasdaq, look at the price on S&P. Like 30 is disgusting. Even when it's dropping low, I'm like, that shit's aggressive for what? You're yelling. This guy.
That's the perfect. That's what I'm talking about. All they down to 22,884.
Mm.
It just fucking
Now it just needs to push though. Those highs to me are imminent unless this market just wants to crash out, like dry crash out. It would be a dry crash out if it doesn't take those highs. Even like from a 1 hour perspective, those highs look like they're good for the taking. The 15-minute though, it did hop in a 15-minute loot zone. We'll say that. But those highs look good for the taking, in my opinion. Let's see. The 5-minute candle closes. I'm not gonna lie to you, this 5-minute candle closes outside its loot zone it just created. I'm personally closing my charts. I wouldn't even stress myself at this point. At that point, these markets won't play games. First, and I'll just wait for the PM session. That's if it closes outside. 5-minute loot zone. I see bullish loot zone.
fellas, be patient. It's inside.
I see it's in the 5-minute. Honestly, going back to that 2-minute, it just hopped in that 2-minute. First off. Yeah, I'm not sure if we can do all that, but there's certain things in my mind that if it happens, I'll just wait on the sideline because we've seen better days without Price doing all this extra stuff. And I'll sacrifice the potential of a trade still playing out for mental capital. But so far, everything is still. I'm just like pointing out what I would logically speaking, not no emotions attached. Just logically speaking, what would make sense. If it does X, then I'm gonna do Y. I don't want to see it from on the 5-minute chart close that whole bullish loot zone. If it does that, I'm not happy. It's not to me. I'm good on that. So far, price is ugly, but everything's still doing what it do. I wonder if the live is catching you guys when you guys speak. Hope it is.
Hope so as well.
Yeah, this drop is looking interesting right here.
Yeah, it's definitely. Hold on, look at what's the dollar index. Now we're at 2-day opening. Like this is, I wouldn't consider this bad price action.
I'm not happy with
This
it.
is volume.
I'm not happy with it personally. This could be a melt. This is gonna be a meltdown. I'm looking at 50-minute chart. This is a wraps.
2-day opening gap. I thought 8:39.
I'm done with this. It's interesting price action. It's done. It's gonna melt. It's gonna tear lower at this point. It's about to tear. Yeah. Okay. At this point, for me, I'm done with the markets because it gave me the 50 points. Well, knocked me out by one tick. Gave me my 50 points. I just want to see go higher. Not deliver that for me. All I did was enter 15-minute loot zone. So I really should take my 50 points and dipped. And I really think looking at US 30, what it's doing, it looks like it wants to take previous day's lows. If that happens, I don't see it being bullish. What the heck did Trump say?
Tomorrow for the next short period. Tariffs will start back being paid on August 1st, 2025. Wow. Wow. This nigga be holding. Wow. There has been no change to this date. There will be no change. All money will be payable starting August 1st. No extensions will be granted. Thank you for your matter to this attention.
So, isn't that good for the US? Shouldn't this be another entry then?
I mean, yes, in a way, but it's like
I'm good on this. I like based off of I've been learning like based off of like Monday's price action, I can tell when the week is gonna be shitty. And Monday has been shitty. Tuesday, yes, we caught some good trades Monday. Don't get that twisted. We caught a nice trade on Monday. But if you look at it, it looks it was a shitty price market. You have to really just be in there super precise, which we were, but like it was shitty. Today, clear highs. They didn't want to take them. Sweep lows one more time. I'm not convinced it's gonna fully sell off. I don't know what else to do if I'm being realistic at this point. I don't know. I have to sometimes you have to call the split. I really don't know what it wants to do. Like it's probably gonna go now, Edric, the level you're talking about. If I'm to get in, it has to go back to that. It has to go to that level.
yeah, 8:49,
8:30, yeah, 8:30. I have mine to 8:35.
Yeah.
At this point.
And then
Yeah.
no closes below.
So I think PM session is best because I can just tell like this week based off of Monday, like from experience, like that's why I wasn't quick to get to the chart today. I can tell like something wicked, like it's just a bunch of crap. Yeah. I really should take something off the table here. And I'm just looking at it. It was perfect, man. And man, I'm looking at the sell off real quick. The sell off was nice, decent. I'm gonna get off live. So thank you guys for watching today. Price action is very. I mean, again, to recap, my buys got knocked out by a tick. Fell back in again. It hit our 50-point target. I wanted more. This is why, again, sticking to that game plan is better. But I wanted more because I saw this equal highs here. Stop price was this new opening gap high. There was two of them here. Plus a 15-minute, if you're going 15-minute chart. clear 15-minute loose zone, and then sunk price lower. So that should have been my exit criteria. Now at this point, I really would not be surprised if price was going to take out these lows. I think the highs are going to stay in place at this point, but I don't know. Price is being interesting. So we'll see what happens. If it keeps going lower, my target ideally from a 4-hour perspective, I want to see these lows get snatched at 2594, which coincides with weekly level. Just right here. Till then, I am out. Quick. Watch this offer buys right here. That's the funniest.